Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video, too.
To be enjoying the situation, which made his attempts at portraying anger unconvincing.
Okay.
I'd ignored his jibes in the past, but I was getting tired of it. I've been able to do, Ambassador. Found the source of those hacking attempts yet? Made any arrests?
Really?
Got any suggestions? Anything besides endless carping? I exchanged glares with the Ambassador for a moment, then moved on. We're working on replacing the donut, but it'll still be a few months. Plus whatever time it takes.
I'm the craziest driver, huh? That guy, man. Stopped him in the middle. Is this blocked out? Look, he's bringing this thing too. What's up, homie? Back up, man.
You don't know nonsense type of person.
你是一个山坡王八蛋。哦，啊对！Oh no! Oh shit! Oh my god! 911 call.
Uh-oh, he just literally, what an idiot.
Christ, are you kidding me, you piece of shit?
Got his ass. Garmin, save video. Oh my God. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Well, that was amazing. Let's
Oh my god! Reporting 25 drones destroyed over the southern and western regions and Crimea. I'm Rika and Garcia.
God damn.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.